So this is not just a normal car, but this is the 2025 Hot Wheels KK's very amazing casting named Alfa Romeo Giulietta T1 Super. Yes, few questions for this video is like, does any change in 2025 price of the all cars like normal cars, like on 2024 the cars are in the MRP of 179, does any change? Second question, where can I get this casting? And third question, how can you get this casting? And something special in this video, so please watch full video and subscribe for more amazing content. So let's uncard this casting. Just see, first of all we check the MRP. The MRP of this casting is 179, means no change in the MRP. Thank God, Hot Wheels. And you can see the card which is similar like previous cases, like A case which came on start, and this is K case which is so amazing. You can see the back of the car is so amazing, like T1 Supra. Like I uncard all of the castings which I have, and this is one of waiting when can I uncard, because I'm fan of this casting. The front is too cool, the base is too cool. So let's uncard this casting. I forgot my cutter, so I uncard like this. Yes, so many people can put this casting carded, but this is too amazing, so I can't put this car into carded. So this is the car. Like this car feels like 90s car. Yes, so let's get the overview of the front. You can get the headlights, not any print, not any too much detail, but yes, it's too cool, like on the MRP of 179. You can get the badging, like here I can zoom, no मैं कार ही पास में ले आता हूँ. You can see the symbol 63 number written, and it's written like we can see the car is moving like fast. So yes, and here you can see Alfa Romeo Momo and Hot Wheels. Yes, on this side same thing, like this sticker, the tail light or something else, I don't know. If you know, so tell me in the comments. And 63 number badging, Alfa Romeo Hot Wheels Momo. On the back is too cool, means if you have not this casting or you don't love this casting, so you can take this casting, guys. Yes, this is my personal opinion. So you can see on the back the tail lights T1 Super, and it's too amazing. I think you can see the exhaust, means nice work. And this is different, like means the base is white and the exhaust is put inside the casting. It's too rare in the Hot Wheels casting. And something else which is rare but they give is the mirror. Yes, the mirror is one side. In American cars they give only driver side mirror. And on the base you can see, I can zoom, Alfa Romeo Giulietta T1 Sport. Oh wait, Malaysia. Yes, on previous cars we get made in Malaysia. On this casting only Malaysia. And on the badge you can't get written Hot Wheels, only logo of the Hot Wheels. This is something rare and special. I don't know about this casting, means I have all castings and it has also written. And take the closer look of this casting. Wow, amazing. Yes, this is the video. If you like this video, subscribe, comment, and on next which casting I get make videos, subscribe for more. And yes, amazing, and I don't think pupils come this part. And yes, if you are still here, so on the subscribers of 2000 we gave the one car, and it is the special giveaway. We choose any two members and give something special car. I have now 1500 subscribers, so only 500 subscribers left. So yes, subscribe for more amazing content. Bye bye.